So you're trying to decide between Bolt.new and Lovable.dev. And honestly, they look similar at first. Both promise you can describe an app in plain English and get something working fast. By the end of this video, you'll know which one is right for you. Bolt.new is an AI app builder from StackBlitz that feels like a browser-based dev environment with code editing, hosting, databases, domains, and strong developer integrations. Lovable.dev is an AI full stack app builder that leads harder to fast MVP creation, visual edits, collaboration, and getting non technical teams from idea to working app quickly. Unbuilt experience and control, Bolt.new feels more like a real coding workspace in the browser thanks to its web containers foundation and tighter developer workflow. Lovable.dev is still powerful, but it's more guided and a little more opinionated in how you build. Bolt.new wins this round because it gives technical users more control without leaving the browser. For editing and collaboration, Lovable.dev has a real edge with visual edits, so you can tweak text, spacing, and styling directly instead of prompting the AI for every tiny change. It also includes unlimited workspace members, even on lower tiers, which is great for teams, agencies, and client work. Lovable.dev wins here because it's simply easier to refine the product together. On integrations and shipping, Bolt.new gives you a tighter all-in-one path with GitHub, Figma Import, Stripe, Supabase, Netlify, Expo, and built-in hosting, domains, and databases through Bolt Cloud. Lovable.dev has the broader connector story with GitHub, Supabase, Shopify, PayPal, Slack, Discord, Tableau, Power BI, and a lot more services in the mix. This one is basically a split decision, but Bolt.new wins for a cleaner build and deploy workflow, while Lovable.dev wins on connector breadth. Now pricing, because Bolt.new and Lovable.dev track usage differently. Bolt.new has a free plan with public and private projects, 300,000 daily tokens, 1 million monthly tokens, website hosting, and unlimited databases. Paid starts at $25 a month for Pro, and Team starts at $30 per user per month. Lovable.dev also has a free plan, but it's credit based with 5 daily credits up to 30 per month, and its starting paid tier is also $25 a month for Pro, while Business starts at $50 a month. Both Pro removes branding and adds custom domains, and Lovable Pro also gives you custom domains and removes the Lovable badge. Best value is Bolt Pro for solo builders who need more room to experiment, while Lovable Pro is stronger for teams because the plan is shared across unlimited users. Both can get expensive with heavy use, so keep an eye on Bolt.new tokens and Lovable.dev credits. Links in the description for current pricing. If you're a technical founder, freelancer, or developer who wants a more browser native build environment, pick Bolt.new. If you're a non technical founder, marketer, or small team trying to launch an MVP fast, pick Lovable.dev. If your workflow already depends on Figma, GitHub, payments, and shipping fast from one place, Bolt.new makes a lot of sense. If you care most about visual tweaking, collaboration, and stronger review momentum, pick Lovable.dev. But if you care most about developer workflow and infrastructure control, pick Bolt.new. My pick for most people is Lovable.dev because it feels easier to use, easier to iterate on, and easier to share with a team. But if you're more technical and want something closer to a real browser based coding environment, Bolt.new is still a great choice. Both tools have links in the description, and like and subscribe if this helped.